Y'all, I'm just sitting here in the driveway. Oh my God, it's taking me forever to just like get going. I'm on my way to Lowe's Home Improvement to grab a couple things for these furniture flips I'm working on right now. I also realized that my videos are going to be, you're looking at this video out of order. So you're looking at this video right now, but there's one that should have come before it, but it's a sponsored video, so I couldn't wait. This is also a sponsored video too, but okay, listen, okay. It happened that this company, this sponsored video got approved first, so that's why you're probably like, wait, what? So there's a whole video that's gonna come that'll show you how we even ended up here. And this thing is rocking. Yeah, it's not gonna be a good ride because of where it is sitting. And what is happening here? Oh my God, what is Coach? Okay, Coach, man. Coach finna kill everybody, y'all. Boy, no, who told you to turn the wrong way? Yeah, in that big bus. Y'all let this man turn. Yeah. Go on, Master Tours. Ooh, yeah. Oh. You want to know about these shoes? Look. Girl, let me show y'all these shoes. Have y'all heard about this company? I seen the first advertisement for them on TikTok. So when they reached out to me, I was like, yes, please. I like comfortable stuff. Brace yourself. Brace yourself. This is Posee. Posee, let me show y'all what they sent your girl. Bam. Looky. Look at this shoe. First of all, let's look at the color. Okay. It's giving rubber. It's giving comfort. Let's try them on and see. Look at these. When I tell you they are comfortable. It literally feels like I am walking on a cloud. I literally mean that. The shock absorption that these shoes provide for my little aching heel is amazing. So not only are they cute, they are also comfortable as well. Like cushiony, squishy, cloud comfortable. And they're so cute. I love the color. Also, y'all, they have these in like the cloud slides, which is the open toe. And I think in this color, pink, white, black. They also have fluffy slippers. And then this brand right here. And they're super affordable in addition to being comfortable. Shout out to them for sponsoring this portion of today's video, Posee. I appreciate it. Here I am still sanding down the piece from yesterday's video. I used stripper to loosen some of the paint up, and then I went in and knocked the rest of the paint off. And what I decided to do was to sell the two pieces separately instead of selling them together as a china cabinet. Sometimes these furniture flips require separation or alteration or adding to it, taking away from it. Just listen, however you choose to flip your furniture. And this particular piece, I don't know, it just spoke to me and it said I need to be two pieces. So I decided to build a base and create like a sort of freestanding china cabinet for someone to store whatever they choose in it. So I'm adding these hairpin legs that I also purchased. Good morning. Again. Auntie, you in these short little clips. Oh my goodness. Let's open the blinds, honey. This is what we do every day. I have to come open the blinds and let some light in. All right, are you having a good day? I hope you are. Hope you're having the best day. It is about 7 o'clock, I think, this morning, and I'm about to go out here and finish our cabinets. Because we gotta finish. I'm ready to get it off of me. I don't like, anytime I've ever flipped something, oh, well, good morning. Wow, how are you? Jeez. Okay, let me just get out your personal space, honey, because I'm just trying to open the window, honey. So I got my purse. Look at the bag, y'all. Okay, girl, I can't even get over here to, look at him. Roy, look at Roy. Honey, I am in the jungle. Baby, I am in the jungle. Excuse me, y'all, excuse me. Y'all ain't seen the plants in a while, so here's Roy, living his best life, catching up to where his brother used to be. Look at there. Huge. She's doing much better. She was sickly, and Ron's been working with her. This fiddle leaf, y'all remember this one? She was a mere little thing. She's getting on up there too. She probably need to be repotted. And we had a money tree here, and it's died right there, so we can have our morning coffee chat. Let's check some emails real quick before I head out. And I also like to check I like to go on Facebook in the mornings, Marketplace, and see who has free stuff. The free is better, but cheap is the second best. Okay, y'all, so this is gonna be the next furniture flip, and I am trying to prepare the table before I prepare the table, because girl, the whole top came off, the whole thing. Okay, look at it. So I'm removing the nails that were in it so that I can add some glue and let it be sitting for the remainder of the day while I finish working on the piece from yesterday, so that we can get that done. But I'm just pre-prepping before the prepping. So stay tuned for the flip for this table. I'm kind of excited about it. Child, a man was like, I just need to throw this thing in the trash. I said, no, I need her. We're going to keep her. So I'm adding Gorilla Glue, wood glue, and putty to just kind of bring her back together and hold her tight, because she's heavy. She's just, you know, not in the best shape. So a couple things happened during this process. One, I had broke a glass. So when I went to price the glass, I was like, you know, I don't know that I want to invest that much money into this piece. So you got to be kind of careful with how much you're going to put in a flip, right? And so I'm attempting to clean the glasses here. But what happened was that stripper product etched some imperfections around the entire perimeter of the mirror where I didn't not mirror. I keep wanting to call it a window. The glass. Oh my goodness. It had etched some chemical around the entire glass. So anyway, I'm removing them to do something different. Plan B. Always have another plan when you're doing flips, because the unexpected can happen, and you need to figure out what the investment needs to look like for your flip so that you can maximize on your return. So I decided to 86 the glass anyway and do what looks like, well, you be the judge. So that's all I'm doing here is I'm cutting all my measurements, and then I'm going to install them. So I'm just going to let you watch, but that's all I'm doing. Plan B, right? So that we can carry right on.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this wrong. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better.
So here I decided to cover the wooden panels that I paid $12.99 for from Lowe's with some peel and stick wallpaper from Lowe's as well. I think it's the Allen Roth brand. Maybe. Nope. I might be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But I decided to cover those panels in place of the window. Not window. The glass. Why is that so hard for me to remember? So I'm just cutting it to size and I'm wrapping it just barely around it. And I'll show you how I'm going to secure it. This paper is actually easy to work with. It's very forgiving, right? So you just get it lined up and smooth out the air bubbles. You know the ropes on peel and stick. Just get the air bubbles out and get you a nice flat dry surface and you're good to go. Here I'm just adding some hot glue to get it stuck there just until I get the staples to go ahead and give it a nice secure hold in place. I'm just putting them in place, making sure they all fit, and they do. This was one of those situations where you really had to trust the process. Like, I wanted to give up so many times, but I didn't. And so I'm just carrying on with adding the hot glue just so it can get stuck good, and then I'll come back and staple it in place and then make it look real nice and pretty. Are you ready? Okay. Well, family, that is it for today's flip. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. What do you think? Yay or nay? What would you price this as if you were me? The next flip will be this table coming up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until love you. Bye.